Okay, so I'm coming on here to unbox this radar detector. Let me just open it for you guys. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's kind of cool. And then we've got a bag for it in here, which is pretty nice. So this is the bag, and then behind it has another zipper to put something in here, a little pocket. And then I'm gonna open this bag up. Also comes with a manual right here and some instructions. This is what it looks like. This is the radar detector. And then we've got power cable right here. Okay, so this is a power cable. This will be plugged in to your car. And then last thing, we have a suction cup. And then one thing that is super cool about this is that you can magnetically attach this to the radar detector. Alright, so now it's attached. It can also be easily taken off because it's just magnetic, which is pretty nice, but it's a really strong magnet. And now you're able to attach it to your windshield. And then wanted to show you guys, the bag has like 2 sections in here. And yeah, I will be making another video of me actually using this.